What is up, you guys? I'm back with another video finally. Ignore the hair, I just got up and came outside. But today I'm going to be doing something I've been meaning to do for a really long time. It's been raining. The weather here has been terrible. But the forecast says it shouldn't rain for the next like week or so. So I at least have the truck clean for a couple of days because I'm kind of getting tired of it. I'll show you guys more of how bad it is once I pull out the truck. But it's pretty bad. I haven't washed it since the day my wheel came off, actually. It's literally just sat dirty. The weather's been terrible after that. I didn't drive it for a couple weeks, so I didn't wash it, and I couldn't even really move it. When I started driving it, the weather got bad, so I couldn't. It was pointless to wash it. But the weather's supposed to be good, so we're gonna wash it today. This is actually probably gonna be satisfying because it has like a really thick layer of dirt on it. And I don't want to hear any comments about, oh, you're washing it wrong, or oh, that's not how you wash it. This is how I'm gonna wash it. This is my method. This is what works. I'm gonna do this as like not a full detail, but somewhat, because I do want to vacuum and clean the inside and do the leather and all that, because it has been a really long time since I've done that. I was gonna polish it, but there's no point because I have that corner piece and it's all messed up. And I do want to address this. Yes, I'm going to paint the bedside, but I do want to get my new hood and I have my new mirror, so I want to get everything painted at the same time so they could blend it as close as possible. So I want to do that all at the same time, hopefully pretty soon. And yes, I have to put some primer on this because it is starting to rust. It's probably not as bad, but it does need some primer. Wait, I never showed you guys. Look how dirty this is. Like look. Like, that is gross. These wheels, they're chrome. They don't even shine no more. Like, you can't really see my reflection. Yeah, the bumper broke again. I'm over it. It's pretty bad everywhere. I don't know if you can really see it on the hood. You can probably see that. It's pretty bad everywhere. Alright, so I rinsed off all the heavy dirt. Now I'm gonna soap it up so then I could scrub it down real quick. Get started on that. Finally, you could actually see your reflection. And you can actually see the blue now. It doesn't look gray. Now you can see how much darker that corner is than the rest of the truck. But it looks great. Time to dry it up. I'm pulling into the garage so I can dry it because it's going to dry too fast out here. It's actually kind of warm today. It's actually a decent day. This side's all dried up. It's looking shiny finally. But some of you guys need to learn. And I'm not talking about everybody. I'm talking about most of you guys. Or some people at least. My big pet peeve. Yeah. My biggest pet peeve is when somebody washes their truck or car or just anything, like car or whatever it may be, and they don't clean this. And especially if it's dusty and then it gets wet, like right there, it gets all muddy and it's gross. It looks ugly. So I'm gonna clean that out real quick and then jump over to the other side. Alright, so I got the truck all dried up. It finally actually looks decent. I did break the bumper and the silver piece, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But besides that, it's actually looking good. This is actually the best it's looked in a while. As you guys can see, it actually is shiny and it isn't dull. Right now I'm gonna clean each wheel, all four corners. I'll show you guys the process of that. And then after that, I'm gonna vacuum the inside, wipe down all the plastic pieces. I think I have some stuff for the leather. And then should be done after that. I mean, the truck isn't too bad right now. I just need a little bit of love. So I'm gonna clean this wheel up. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. I don't know how other people clean it, but this is how I clean it. So I hope you guys like the way I clean it. If not, don't judge. Everyone has their own way. Alright, so I just cleaned up all the like heavier dirt on it with the dirty rag. Now I'm gonna go over it with the clean rag now, just to avoid rubbing in the dirt. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna clean this up real quick and then go charge it for a little bit, so I have it for the rest of the video. Should clean up pretty nice. We got the tire shine, wiped them all down. Now I gotta just do this to all four corners. And while I do that, I'm gonna go charge my camera because it's basically dead. Now we can move into the inside, which is actually kind of bad. Under my seat, as you guys can see, it's all dirty. But under my seat, I have so much shit. This is from like the Christmas video. This is a hoodie that I have in here. Back here, it's not so bad, just rag. And then under there, I never actually mentioned this. I have a new one, because you guys can see that one doesn't have the remote control, the home link, and that one does. So I'm gonna get some help to wire that in, because my uncle already did his. So yeah, that's gonna be another video though. I need to look for that stock paint. I know someone posted something about it. I have a picture of it. I just need to look for it so I could order it and I could get an exact match to that. And I want to show you guys the inside real quick, so you guys can see how dirty it is. Let me see if it picks. Yup, it picked it up on camera, as you can see. My truck is super dusty. It has bottles and random shit. So I'm gonna clean out the interior too, because this truck needs a deep clean. Like, it needs it bad. Well, it's been needing it bad. The wheels, they cleaned up really, really nice actually. As you can see, they're actually shiny now and not dull. So right now we're gonna work on the interior real quick, and then should be done for this video. I'm gonna put the camera up somewhere where you guys could see what I'm doing. Don't ask why I have random, whatchamacallit, hats. This was meant for the reaction video. We were all going to wear hats in the truck. But we didn't go through with it, so I just have these. I threw them in the back. That sweater was from that video, so that sweater's been here for a long time. It's been a long time since I cleaned the inside of the truck. Alright, let's keep moving on with this. My fog light that broke, that I still haven't ordered. And actually, I took it out, and I messed up my fog light because water got inside of it. This is something that I messed up bad on. I should have just left it in there. Even though, oh wait, actually I couldn't. It doesn't have the little bracket to lock in. Never mind. I got the shop back, so now I'm gonna vacuum the front. I'm gonna show you guys a little before. You guys can see it's pretty dirty. Well, not dirty, but just like there's a lot of dust and dirt in here. Let me show you guys the other side real quick. So yeah, this is what it looks like before. And I'll show you guys the after. You guys can see, truck's all cleaned up now, finally. I just gotta clean the center console, throw in the floor mats, and then wipe down all the plastics. On the plastics, like this is literally the only thing that's black still. Not for long. I like to use the interior spray for the dash and the plastics. It leaves it looking pretty new, and it lasts longer. I've noticed, at least. I don't know. I know that there's actual like spray for it. But why use that if I have this? I think it leaves it pretty clean. Looking right. I'm gonna clean anything that I got on the chrome and on the bumper. But as you guys can see, it looks way better and glossy. Alright, right now all I have to do is clean the plastics, and I'm going to take it out and take some cinematics because it's the first time it's been cleaned in a really long time, and I want to add some cinematics and work on that also because I kind of want to do that more often in the videos, whether it's my truck or anybody else's truck. So I'm going to clean the plastics real quick. I don't think you guys want to see that. Finally, the truck is all cleaned up. As you guys can see, the wheels are looking actually insane in the sunlight. The whole truck looks clean finally, and the interior is actually looking really good too. Actually looks clean and like a normal truck now, not a dump truck. It's a little bit of an over exaggeration, but it was pretty bad. Threw everything away. Truck's actually clean. Clean the doors, everything. Right now I'm gonna add a little bit of cinematic shots. That's pretty much all I got for this video. I'll close it out after the cinematics. Guys enjoyed that little cinematic video. I'm not that good at it. I don't have a stabilizer, so don't judge it too hard. Kind of just wanted to add that to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I'm gonna end it here. If you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We could hit 7,000 by mid next month. If you guys enjoyed that video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.